I love the music. My favorite is Nashe Si Chad Gayi.
Such a great song. I just loved every second of shooting it.
It's a very catchy number.
Nashe Si Chad Gayi.
Na 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 na.
Ton sourire m'insouciait, je suis fou de toi. Le désir coule dans mes veines, guidé par ta voix. Ton sourire m'insouciait, je suis fou de toi.
So Nashe Si Chad Gayi comes from a line that Adi actually had in his head, which includes the lyrics. This Nashe Si Chad Gayi was something that he was humming, and we were like, we should really make this a song.
इसकी जो ब्रीफ थी सबसे पहले आदि की यही थी कि यार ये मुझे दिस पर्सन हैज़ इंटॉक्सिकेटेड मी, ये मुझे नशे से चढ़ गई. ठीक है, नशे से चढ़ गई एंड विच इज़ व्हाट हैपन्स. कहते हैं कि आपको अचानक ही ओवरनाइट ही किसी से प्यार हो जाता है, तो वो एक तरह का नशा ही है. बिकॉज यू आर नॉट श्योर कि यार ये क्या है, किस लेवल का है, सच्चा है, झूठा है, आज रात का ही है कि कल सुबह है, इसी से है या इसके फ्रेंड से है.
उड़ती पतंग जैसे मस्त मलंग जैसे मस्त सी चढ़ गई हमको तुरंत ऐसे लगती करंट जैसे निकला वारंट जैसे अभी अभी उतरा होने से टोरेंट जैसे.
I remember that was the first thing we shot on this set.
We got down to it. It was a chilly morning by the Seine.
It's beautiful, the location, and it's in the hub of the city, and it's absolutely in the heart of the city.
All these beautiful people, girls, boys.
So the dance floor and the bar and all of that was set.
The song began and the energy, the crowd.
That's the power of music, right? When you play it, it brings everybody onto the same page, sort of, binds everybody together.
I got into the groove and in no time I started enjoying it. I was absolutely in it.
Everybody just wanted to kick off with a bang, and I think we did.
नशे से चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गई पतंग से लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग से लड़ गई नशे से चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गई.
Arijit again was a very unique, different choice for this kind of a song. I think his voice, his texture and the kind of vibe, he's never sung a song like this
He
before.
sung it so easy.
Easy, yeah.
It's the song.
वो होता है ना, वो डांस सॉन्ग में एक अटैक होता है उस पे, ये होता है nothing. It's like it can also be a romantic song.
ऐसे खींचे दिल के पेचे गले ही पड़ गए ओए नशे से चढ़ गए ओए कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गए. खिलती पसंद जैसे धूल तक लग जैसे दिल की दरार में हो प्यार का सीमेंट जैसे अखियों ही अखियों में जंग की फरंट जैसे मिल जाए सदियों से अटका रे फंड जैसे.
I'd always mentioned to Adi sir and Vaibhavi ma'am months prior to the film that I really want to dance in this film. I want the opportunity is there and I want to seize it. So we put in the time into rehearsals and I love the choreography. It's not easy, by the way.
It wasn't easy at all. For the first time when we saw the steps, I was like, what is this? How am I ever going to pull that off? But it happened, yeah, we trained a lot. Everybody was so supportive and the energy levels were so high and the whole environment was just too good.
I just loved every second of shooting it. You can't wait for the next take to happen just so that the music can play again. Yeah.
लोग नशे से चढ़ गई, literally चढ़ गई थी नशे से.
When they finished the shoot and they told those guys to leave, those guys kept on singing the song and said, please go on playing it.
Everybody wanted to stay just 5 minutes more to dance.
That was their way of expressing a gratitude towards us that, thanks for making us a part of Befikre and thanks for making us a part of such a lovely song, and we had a great time.
Je suis fou de toi. Le désir coule dans mes veines, guidé par ta voix. Ton sourire m'insouciait. Je suis fou de toi. Le désir coule dans mes veines, guidé par ta voix.
गई ओए, नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए, कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई।